host, Alonzo. I'm a student at MINDDRIVE. I'm a senior at Guadalupe Centers High School. We have everything we need. My mom always prepares just in case. Other than being affected by work with my mother, because she works in a library, so right now she doesn't have any work at all, and my father's the main one that's getting all the money. It's a struggle. In all honesty, it's a struggle. Because you're used to teachers being with you and answering your questions on task, but this time you have to wait, see if anybody else has a question, or you might ask a question at a certain point and she doesn't look at the chat or she can't hear you. So it's a struggle. You used to want to be able to talk to people, but now it's all about make sure you're a certain distance away so you don't get the virus spread to them, or you don't want the virus spread to you. In all honesty, it's affecting us in not only communication, but soon enough, businesses won't be able to pay you the same amount and won't be able to help you sustain yourself. Meanwhile, you're in this crisis. So it's a big struggle that lots of people are going through, and it'll impact the world for quite a bit, I'm assuming. I want to thank you personally, mainly because you are risking your own body of getting a virus just to help out others that are in need, and you are willing to give in the time and effort to get these people ready and prepared. And I hope that they're doing great. I hope that they are keeping themselves safe and that they don't hurt themselves while they're working or anything. That's mainly what I want to get through to them. I just hope you guys are doing okay. Keep yourself safe, clean yourselves, clean your products, make sure you guys aren't hurting yourselves or hurting others with not wearing masks or anything like that. Just make sure that you're keeping yourself safe and you're keeping others safe.